Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, June 4th, and this is my PM recap for gold. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord channel. It's a link down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, gold did end up posting up pretty decent today. The thing is this move up kind of looks like a correction. I mean, it kind of looks like one up. It looks like three down. It looks like one up. This move down definitely is impulsive. We might actually have an a B, and it may actually even go down for a wave C. Maybe even go back down to one of these lower fib levels before it actually does continue up. Now, the problem with this analysis is that the trend is up on every single higher time frame, which means that it may just continue up, which is why I'm really not interested in sorting it. I've actually been long on this since the middle of May. I went long way back here, I went long right around here, then I went long yesterday right around here. So I'm long three times on gold, so I'm actually kind of hoping it does keep on going up. If it does go down, not a big deal. I'm just going to hold on to my logs for the continuation of the higher time frame uptrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.